Well, let us see what is the next thing that Blender has to offer. So before going further, what you need to do is go to the edit menu and click on the preferences window and go to add-on section, and here you need to search for extra and you get this tick mark. Tick on this add mesh extra objects and close this window preferences, and what you will get is when you go to the add menu in the mesh you get these extra objects, and in these extra objects today we will see what are these two objects. So let me select this cube and delete it, go to add, go to mesh and go to gears and go to gear. So this is the thing that we have been provided by the Blender developers, one of the most wonderful options Blender developers have given us. What it does is, if you want, you can increase the number of teeth, you can increase the span, you can increase the base, you can increase the addendum, you can change the addendum, how much sharp these points should be, you can change the pressure angle, how much pointedness it should be, you can change the skewness of these gears, you can change the conical angle of this gear so that you can get a conical gear which will be visible like this a little bit. And then you have this crown. So this was the first thing. Let me select it and delete it. Go to add, go to mesh and go to gears, and we will see what is worm. Worm is nothing but it is a linear gear. It has number of teeth, and I have found out that it is something related to 6. If we have 6 teeth, it's going to show it. If we have 7 teeth, it is not going to show it. It's going to show on 8. On some numbers it is going to show, on some numbers it is not going to show. I don't know what is the reason. If you know the reason, please let me know on the comment. And number of rows, if you want to increase the number of rows. Radius, if you want to increase the span of this worm wheel. Row height, how much height you want one single row to be. Addendum, the size of this curvature. Addendum, let me show you from the top what is addendum and addendum, how long the screws must be and how long the internal tube must be, that is defined by addendum. And pressure angle, if you want you can change skewness per row, how much skewed this entire thing will be. And crown is something changing according to this cube. It will give it a little bit of abstract shape, and if you want to align it according to world, you can align it according to world. If you want, you can align it according to the view from where you are seeing it from. If you are seeing it from here and click on the view, it is going to align it according to your view. Now it's looking like James Bond. And if you want, you can align it according to the 3D cursor. So that's it for this, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to support me personally, you can go on the Patreon page. Links will be given in the description. As well as if you want to personally support me, a phone number is given in the description. You can pay me through Google Pay, Phone Pay or Paytm. With that being said and done, try to see it, learn it, understand it. I will see you in the next video.